We are forced to remember things to take exams, right? Correct? Right? We need to unlearn that to be as a practitioner. You are forced to sustain the pure, unfabricated state of your mind. You should that by meditation. Okay? And that state of mind is not dull. No? Somebody said, don't think lah. Then like that, chicken also great meditator, you know. Some sleepy dog also great meditator. Yeah, sleepy dog also great meditator, right? Chicken also great meditator, right? Right? Cat also, you see the cat, Buddha nature, Buddha mind. Okay? But the main thing is this. First, we know our mind is intelligent, right? So number two is at that state, what we are doing is when we are practicing, all these thoughts that come in, okay, we observe, we don't question, don't how to say, don't judge, don't question, observe it, recognize it, observe it, don't judge, don't question, and then let it go. Okay? I mean, that's how I practice lah. Okay? Meditation is not daydreaming. Most of us think meditation is daydreaming. Okay? Meditation is not daydreaming. Of course, I must say, in the beginning, when you start to meditate, after 3 minutes become daydreaming, it's okay. Okay? It happens to me. First 1 minute is meditation. So meditate for 3 minutes. First 30 seconds is meditation. The rest 2.5 is daydreaming. Okay? Thoughts, fears, everything will come up. Some people, when they meditate, they are afraid of meditation because they got panic attack. Okay? We need to be kind. We accept, and then we assure ourselves it's okay, and let it go. You understand? Okay? This is how we should practice. Without judgment, because the thing is that, our ability to see is the same ability to see inside and to see outside, right? Correct? Yeah. The problem is our ability to see has always till now focused on seeing outside and not see inside. Right? Make sense? Okay? And therefore, it's just keep on non-stop. Is everything can trigger anybody anytime to lose their temper, lose their this, lose their that, and everything.